Hi class, hope everyone is doing well today. So today we're going to explore where are people distributed and why do geographers study these trends. So there's a few reasons why population has grown exponentially over the last 12,000 years. In a little while I'm going to show you a chart of that. Global population is highly concentrated in developing countries. So these countries include Asia, Africa, a lot of the developing countries. We're considered in the United States already a developed country. So you'll start to see in the next video that I do, I will show you the stages of the demographic transition. But for right now, let's just concentrate on why. People are living much longer, so that's another reason. And what are the social and natural implications of higher populations? And I'm sorry, there should have been a question mark right there. Are really the questions that geographers are asking. So the study of geography is demography in terms of population. So the scientific study of population characteristics is demography. So the demographics of people. This is important. So what I want to show you, first of all, is the first key point that I'm making. The size of the world population over the last 12,000 years. So as you can see on this chart, you have 4 million people in 10,000 BCE. And then that number starts to actually lessen. So it goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down. It goes even further down, and then you have this huge growth. And then now we're at about 7.7 billion people in 2019. Like, wow. So the Earth kind of started out with very little people. Definitely, we can infer that something happened here. Basically, lifespan was a lot shorter. The reason why the first birthday is so celebrated throughout every culture is because children usually died, historically speaking, children usually died before their first birthday. So if they made it past their first birthday, they were going to have a better chance of survival. So world population by region. So you have quite a bit of people in the Asian countries alone. So, about totaling the Earth, you've got about 7.7, but then you start to see, wow, 4.6 billion people alone in Asia. And that is just, wow. I mean, and then you've got 1.31 billion in Africa. Europe, North America, Latin America, and Oceania are still in the millions. So it's really interesting, these kind of trends. Like, why? These are the types of questions that geographers really ask. Why is it that in Asia we have such a high population of people? And what are going to be their social and natural implications?